Everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my onboarding experience at Capgemini. So first of all, a quick disclaimer that do not worry, I'll be keeping things general and not sharing any confidential details. I'll talk about the process, the documents I had to prepare, and my first impressions with the place and what kind of things I did. So if you're curious to know about these and what onboarding is like, stick around, I guess. So let's first start. So before my onboarding day or the date of joining, I received a mail with this title, which was congratulations, we have initiated your physical onboarding process. So in this mail, I received my joining date, which was communicated like uh, earlier, but they had shared it again, and the timings and the name of the SPOC. SPOC is the name of the person you are going to meet. So for me, that was given, and then they provided me the exact floor where I had to be, or the exact room where I had to be at for the like whole onboarding. And it had a survey link. The survey link was a Microsoft form. You just have to fill it. So it was nothing crazy. Just keep your bank account details handy, I guess, IFSC code and the bank account number. That was it. After that, in the same mail, I had received these all you know forms or everything which I had to bring, the documents. And so this, I had to take the hard copy or like print out of the pan card. I took e-pan card. So I downloaded e-pan card from a website. I'll link the video where I downloaded e-pan card. You can take simple pan card also, but front and back should be printed on the same side of the paper. That is easy. Then you have to have a 3 passport size photo. For my case, I took 20 photos to be exact, and 7 were used. So take plenty. Don't take only 5. And e-Aadhaar card is mandatory. You have to bring your original Aadhaar card, original PAN card, hard copy of PAN card, hard copy of e-Aadhaar card, everything. And take two copies of both the documents. That would I would suggest. Take the mark sheets, like every mark sheet you have for every semester mark sheet, semester 1, semester 2, semester 3 till semester 8. Okay, everything you should have. And the provisional degree, I did not have provisional degree, so I submitted the course completion certificate. And I did not ask anyone to bring it, like if it will work or not. I just took it and took the risk, and it worked because my college did not provide me with the provisional degree certificate. After that, while filling the PDC, you must have come across these forms, the 8 electronically signed forms. You have to print them and bring them with you. Okay, this was it in this mail. Then I got this mail from HR system generated mail that welcome to Capgemini, and I didn't have to do anything with this mail. It was just for reading. Then I received a mail with this title, Capgemini visit confirmation. See, you guys will not have your ID cards, right? So you cannot just go to the office like that. You should have the code, the confirmation code, and you give it at the reception area. And they give you a card. They take a photo, and they give you a card, and you enter the like the office. So first of all, for me, I had to go to the security, and I had to fill a form in my phone where I had to enter my name, my SPOC name, which was already given to me, and everything. And I had to submit my Aadhaar card number or PAN card number, and I had to authenticate it by the number from which you will be filling the form. You will get a code that will be your authentication key. You have to fill it, and then you will go to the office. You have the address in this mail. You had already received the address, so you go there. You go to the reception and you say, today is my joining. They will know. They'll ask you the code. You give them the code. They'll give you a temporary ID card which you have to wear it every time. And that was it. I sat with my friends or the batchmates that I just met, and after that they took us to go 15 minutes before the timing. So I would say, if your timing is say 10, reach at 9:45 or 9:40 at the security gate, so that you will be early a bit, but it's better to be early than late, I guess, for the first impression. Then the actual date of joining. So like I sat with my batchmates, all were wearing formals. So what tips I would give you is, smile and keep in mind that you're new. So people know that you're new and you do not know where to go. So they are there to guide you specifically. So do not worry. So after, when we were sitting around half an hour after like the time was there, we are called to the training room. So where we had to sit, and we had to pull out all those documents which were asked, and we have to sign them, write a name, and write a date of joining in each and every paper. You do not have to carry the copy of your offer letter. That is not required. They provide you 2 copies. One they submit, second you keep. And like the date of joining, everything you have to write. So we wrote all these things in like at least 100 pages, I would say, take pen with you, and after filling all these we were given a 10-15 minutes break. After that the presentations were started. It was regarding the company policy, company pages, everything, which I think I should not go over because it's kind of confidential. I don't know, I don't want to get in trouble. That happened. After that we were given lunch break, which was complimentary. So we went to the cafeteria, we had lunch, we came back, HR was there, and we played some games, simple trivia games related to the presentations that happened. So that was there. And try to be normal, take water with you, and do not carry your personal like laptops and everything, and ensure that you have your own internet connection because you cannot connect there. After that we were given welcome kits. So we got pen, diary, water bottle, and pebble wireless headphones, which are like, I think is given to everyone now, but for our experienced candidates this was not. There was a different welcome kit for them. So I did not take a good picture of it, but like it was like this. And then lastly there was this bankers section, which I would say is the most it was the most least exciting thing. Not the most least exciting, it was just the least exciting thing. So what happened there was several banks, and they came and told about their bank policies, and we had to create a salary account at that time or like after they have gone. So we can call them, they can come to Capgemini campus, and it only takes like 5 minutes for them to make our account, and activation takes 2 to 3 hours, I don't know. So I haven't made it yet, but I will. So I chose ICICI because like I have experience with it. So yeah, my parents have that, so I chose this. After that that was it. Like after that we were told to go home, so we went home, and I with some of my friends explored the whole tech park area, and it was like really great to see everything. And I got these comments. So first of all, thank you for commenting. So if you have gotten your LOI in general, then I think within a month you can expect your offer letter and further communication between that month. Because what I have heard is, if Capgemini has given you the LOI, they'll surely proceed with it according to their requirements. I was not selected for the analyst role, although in LOI there is analyst role, but I think it is a more generalized term because my profile is for network engineer, to be honest, and it was off campus. It was for girls hiring. I applied in May. I applied during May 2nd, and I got my offer letter in November. So during that time I did several internships. I upskilled myself, so that you can do as well. Do not wait around for the opportunity. Try to find some more opportunities. That what I would suggest. Try to earn something, because if you get suppose your offer letter soon, so you might have to move to a new state altogether. So just keep all these things like proper, and do not worry about anything, because like everything, you'll get what you're supposed to get, and you'll not get what you're not supposed to get. So do not worry, just be positive. Even if this opportunity, even if you do not get this opportunity, then might be there is something else for you which might be really nice. So with that I would end this video. So I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, again you can just comment, and thank you.